Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Toyota HiAce, stock number 6636. This ran from the 12th 2013 to the 5th 2016. It's a 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. Left hand door mirror. This is the 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left rear door, one dent. Left hand tail light. Right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic air shifter, centre console lid, factory single stack stereo, heat AC controls, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.